Let's talk about WebHub AI, a platform that can help you create and sell websites and build an online income stream. The powerful AI website builder lets you create great-looking sites in minutes. In this demo video, you'll see it in action. Once you're logged in, go to Campaigns and add a new campaign. Name it and select your domain name. You can then add pages to your new site. Under the Page Creation option, select the language and niche and enter your business name. It'll create a complete website for you in seconds. Inside the editor, you can make any changes you want to your website. You can even generate content for your site with the built-in AI copywriter. WebHub AI also comes with pre-designed page templates. To pick a template, go to the Add Page option in your campaign and give it a name. Next, select the template you like and hit Publish. The third way you can create a web page is by starting from scratch here. You can add different pre-designed sections from the right panel. Now that you know how to create a website with this AI tool, let's talk about the Client Finding app within WebHub AI. Create a new campaign and fill in the details, such as your niche. The Analytics tab will show you all the metrics. Under Templates, you'll find ready-made website templates. You can use these when creating client sites. Also, under Mobile App Converter, you can create mobile apps from existing websites. For instance, if you created a cleaning services website for a client, you can spice up your offer by creating a mobile app for them as well. The platform comes with other features to help you scale your website business. So, if you're a freelancer, an agency owner, or just want to create and sell websites, try WebHub AI by clicking the link in the description.